Unraveling Double Complementary, a guide to understanding this English concept. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and slightly complex topic: double complementary. This phrase might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, making it easy to understand and apply in your English communication. Stay with us as we explore the meaning, usage, and examples of double complementary phrases. Double complementary refers to a sentence structure in English where two elements, usually in the form of objects or phrases, are used to complement or complete the meaning of the verb. This structure often emphasizes the relationship between the verb and its complements, enhancing the clarity or depth of the sentence's meaning. To get a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. I consider my brother a genius. Here, my brother and a genius both complement the verb consider, explaining who is considered what. They painted the house white. In this sentence, the house and white complement the verb painted, indicating what was painted and what color it was painted. These examples show how double complementary phrases add richness and detail to sentences, making your communication more precise and engaging. Using double complementary phrases is particularly useful when you want to provide more detail in your sentences without adding unnecessary complexity. Emphasize the relationship between the action of the verb and its subjects or objects. Enhance clarity by specifying the outcome or effect of an action directly within the sentence. Remember, while this structure can add depth to your sentences, clarity is key. Ensure your sentence remains easy to understand for the listener or reader. And that wraps up our exploration of double complementary phrases. We hope this video has shed light on how these structures work and how you can use them to enrich your English communication. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try incorporating double complementary phrases into your daily conversations or writing, and see how they transform your English expression. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!